All right, got the alt-rider rack on, and my tail tidy, and the flush mount turn signals, because the stock ones, at least the right side, got melted by the Camel ADV exhaust. They got full system on here. Got the ECU flash, it makes it so much smoother. There's the headers. But yeah, it definitely has a little bit of a bump in power down low and mid range. But I figure for all the guys that are wondering if they want to do a tail tidy, that's what it'll end up like. I don't have my luggage on it right now. So there you go.